Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing.
How many times I'ma keep on living this chapter? The only thing in my mind is what's coming after. Would I go to college and go get my bachelor's? Or would I keep on rapping just to show ya I'm the master? I look people in their eyes so they can see my pain. So hopefully they can realize somehow we are the same. Rather it's different color, different image, different name. We all hope for sunny days but only get the rain. I know exactly how it feels when you all alone, thinking no one wouldn't care if you dead and gone. Like how they hear through all this pressure, do I keep it strong? I have to find my own therapy within this microphone. I wish life was all straight without needing a comb. Until then, I'ma stay up in my fucking zone. So don't be walking around telling me how to live my life, cause I'ma do just what I want, no need to say it twice.
Hello from the other side.
Say hello to the outside, yeah.
I must have called 1,000 times.
I must have called like 1,000
I
times.
told you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call, you never seem to be home. How are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope you will. Did you ever make it out of that time when nothing ever happened?
What's the point of having ears if I don't never listen? This could be my only chance to be on television. But they would love to give me wings but hate to see me fly. They will go and help me quit before I even try. They will show me the whole ground to cover up the sky instead of